Welcome back, everybody. 2007 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab. This is an LT3 pack, top of the line. Z71 off-road package. ARE hard tonneau. Black on black leather, heated seats, power seats both sides. Trailer tow pack, 3.7 liter motor. It's got the factory chromes on it. Nice truck overall. Clean. Got some service records with it out of Pennsylvania. Relatively solid overall. Drives fantastic. Four-wheel drive. Real nice cabin area. Aftermarket roof, it functions perfectly. Premium sounds. Dual power seats, dual heated front seats. Nice leather. Nice Discovery wheels on it. Extra clean. Serviced and ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval program is available on this truck. Starting down payment's going to be around $795. 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract is included. That's on the drive line. Perfect Carfax. DasCleveland.com.